Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we've been installing the Foamskinz customizable floor mats for the Polaris Slingshot. After popular demand, you can now customize your Polaris Slingshot foam floor mats with up to 9 custom text characters for both the driver and passenger side. These Foamskinz floor mats are constructed with dual layer EVA foam to perfectly contour your floor pan, and are made to order right here in the good old U.S.A. We understand that our customers would like to visualize what they're buying before they click that buy button, so we've developed a free online floor mat designer available only at Slingmods.com. The builder lets you select your foam accent color, font color, and up to 9 custom text characters for both the driver and passenger side floor mat. Installation of these custom foam floor mats couldn't be easier, so let's get started with the installation process. Be sure to thoroughly clean the surface area before installing, and for proper adhesion, make sure you install with a surface temperature between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Start by test fitting the mat to make sure everything lines up. Then simply peel back the protective backing tape and carefully align the piece in the proper location before pressing down firmly to adhere into place. And then simply repeat for the other side. Alright guys, well that's all there is to it. Now if this seems like something you'd be interested in, head on over to Slingmods.com today and design a pair for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest greatest mods for the Polaris Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. We'll see you on the road.